Mohammad Shahid and today my topic of presentation is central nervous system. Central nervous system consists of brain and spinal cord. Both brain and spinal cord are hollow. The spinal cord has central canal and brain has many cavities filled by CSF. First we discuss brain. Brain consists of three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain, it is further divided into three functional parts. First one, thalamus, the limbic system and the cerebrum. First part of forebrain is thalamus. Thalamus carries sensory information from to limbic system and cerebrum, and the information includes sensory information from auditory and visual pathways. It also receives information from skin and within the body. The second part of forebrain is limbic system. It is located an arc between the thalamus and the cerebrum. It produces our most basic emotions, drives, behavior include fear and rage, tranquility, hunger, thirst, pleasure, and sexual responses. It consists of three parts. First one is hypothalamus. It acts as a major coordinating center. It controls body temperature, hunger, menstrual cycle, water balance, and sleep-wake cycle. Second part is amygdala. It produces sensation of pleasure, punishment, or sexual arousal when stimulated. It also involved in feeling of fear and rage. Third one part is hippocampus. It plays important role in the formation of long-term memory and thus is required for learning. Third part of our brain is cerebrum. It is the largest part of brain. It is divided into two halves called cerebral hemisphere. It play following function. First one, it receives sensory information and store it for future use. It direct voluntary movements. Acha. It is responsible for thinking and is poorly understood process. It is also involved in speech and also receive and interpret sensation of touch from all part of the body. It is also involved in sending impulses to voluntary muscles, thus it control movement. This is also involved in intelligence, reasoning and judgment. The left cerebral hemisphere control the right side of the body and the right cerebral hemisphere control the left side of the body. ये एक स्ट्रक्चर है ब्रेन की थोड़ी मतलब कि सारा दिखाया गया है कि कैसे ये ब्रेन मतलब कौन कौन से पार्ट होते हैं ब्रेन के और कैसे वर्क करता है ये और इसके अलावा सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ ब्रेन इज मिड ब्रेन इज रिड्यूस इन ह्यूमन it contains a relay center. It also controls the reflex movement of eyes. Midbrain contains reticular formation. It is relay center connecting hindbrain with midbrain. Reticular formation is very important in screening the input information before they reach the higher brain center. Hindbrain. It includes third part of brain is hindbrain. It includes three parts: medulla, pons, and cerebellum. Medulla. It controls several automatic functions such as breathing, heart rate, blood pressure, and swallowing वगैरह. Pons. Second part is pons. Pons जो होता है हमारे पास, it is located above the medulla. Certain neurons in pons influence the transition between sleep and wakefulness. It also influence the rate and pattern of breathing. Third part of hindbrain is cerebellum. It is important in coordinating movement of body. It guides for smooth and accurate motions. So it maintains body position. It is involved in learning and memory storage for behavior. And it is also best developed in birds. Second part of central nervous system is spinal cord. It is an oval shaped and hollow cylinder runs through vertebral column. It is made up of large number of neurons. It shows two areas. First one, gray matter. It is an inner butterfly shaped contains central canal. It consists of cell bodies and non-myelinated fibers or tracts. Second is white matter. The outer portion is composed of white matter. It is made up of myelinated fibers or tracts. फंक्शन ऑफ स्पाइनल कार्ड की बात करें तो सबसे पहले है spinal cord is the center for many reflexes and it acts as a pathway for conduction of impulses to and from different parts of the body and brain. ये एक स्ट्रक्चर है स्पाइनल कार्ड की जिसमें सारे उसके पार्ट्स बताए गए हैं। जो इसका अंदरूनी पार्ट्स होता है वो ग्रे मैटर होता है और जो बैरूनी पार्ट्स है वो वाइट मैटर होता है। एंड दैट्स ऑल, द टॉपिक इज़ नाउ एंडेड। एनी क्वेश्चन? ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़।